In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a form in 5 simple steps using HubSpot. First, let's make sure you're ready to get started by opening up HubSpot and logging into your account. Having access to your account is crucial because you're going to be using the tools and resources available there to create your form. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to head over to the trial guide. The trial guide is an essential part of this process because it houses all the resources you'll need to kick off your form building journey. It's designed to help both beginners and advanced users find their footing as they start creating a form on HubSpot. Now that you're on your homepage, it's time to navigate to the marketing section. Upon clicking, you'll see a list of various marketing tools and options HubSpot offers. Among these options, find and select Forms. This is your next stop on the road to creating your form. Once you're on the Forms page, you'll need to click on Create Form. At this point, you'll be presented with 2 choices, the Legacy Form Editor and the Form Editor. The Legacy Form Editor is HubSpot's older tool for creating forms. While it allows for basic contact information collection, it does offer fewer customization and styling options. If you're looking for more flexibility and advanced features, the Form Editor is the way to go. It's the updated and recommended option because it supports a drag-and-drop interface, offering a more intuitive and design-friendly experience. It also provides better integration with HubSpot's workflows and automation, which can be a huge time saver down the line. For this tutorial, you'll want to select the Form Editor. After selecting this updated tool, click Next. Now you're ready to decide on the look and feel of your form. HubSpot provides various templates to choose from, making it easier for you to find one that matches your style and needs. Don't hesitate to explore the templates HubSpot offers. They can save you time and provide inspiration for how you want your form to look and function. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the process of building a form with HubSpot. By following these steps, you can take advantage of HubSpot's robust form building tools, making your data collection straightforward and efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go back and experiment with different settings and options to get the most out of HubSpot's capabilities. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you feel confident about building forms that meet your business needs.